material testing, tensile test, compression test, and shear test. So tensile test is conducted by using universal testing machine UTM machine. So in UTM machine, one side is okay. One side of the specimen is grip or clamped at one end of the specimen. Okay, this is the tensile test specimen. So one end of the specimen is clamped. Okay, is a fixed one. Another one side is crosscut. Okay, is the movable one. Crosscut is movable one using lead screw. Okay, so other end is fastened movable crosscut. So measure the elongation using the extensiometer. Okay, is the extensiometer is used to measure the elongation of the specimen. This force is applied by using the hydraulic load. Okay, using the hydraulic load. So elongation in relation to the load from the tensile test is the strain and stress. Okay, is the strain and stress is the specimen for before tensile test, is the specimen for after tensile test. Okay, முன்னாடி வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஸ்பெசிமென் வந்து ஒரே யூனிஃபார்ம் கிராஸ் செக்ஷன். ஸோ இங்கே ஆஃப்டர் த டென்சைல் டெஸ்ட் இஸ் த நெக் ஃபார்மேஷன் இந்த ஸ்பெசிமன். ஓகே, ஸோ என்ன பண்ணுறோம், ஒரு சைடு ஃபிக்ஸ் பண்ணுறோம், ஒரு சைடு கிராஸ் கட் வச்சு மூவ் பண்ணுறோம். டவுன்வேர்ட் மூவ்மெண்ட், டவுன்வேர்ட் அண்ட் அப்வர்ட், டவுன்வேர்ட் மூவ்மெண்ட். ஸோ ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கலி ஸ்பெசிமன் இஸ் elongated. Okay, is the ductile property of the specimen. It is the various terms used in the tensile test is the proportional limit. So up to the proportional limit, the stress is directly proportional to the strain. Okay, this is for proportional limit. Next one is the elastic limit and stress strain curve. Okay, so stress is directly proportional to strain up to the proportional limit. So elastic limit is strain. Okay, stress load கொடுத்து strain ஆயிருது. So load release பண்ண making material again in the original position, come to the original position up to the elastic limit வரைக்கும் இருந்தால் specimen original position வரும். So அடுத்து next stress and strain. So stress is load by area, strain is change length by original length. Yield strength is equal to, is a ratio of yield load. Okay, yield load at yield point divided by original cross section area. Ultimate tensile strength is equal to, it is the ratio of ultimate load at ultimate point divided by original cross section area. Next is the percentage of elongation. Okay, is the percentage of elongation means final length minus original length divided by original length into 100 is the percentage of elongation. Next is the percentage reduction in area. Next, Young's modulus is the ratio of stress by strain. Okay, is the ratio of stress by strain is the Young's modulus. This is the graph for stress strain curve for ductile material. Stress strain curve by ductile material. Okay, this is the proportional limit, elastic limit, so upper yield point, lower yield point, ultimate tensile stress. Next, last one is fracture. Okay. Next is compression test, also conducted by using the UTM machine, universal testing machine, is mainly used for brittle material. So is mainly material for ceramics, cast iron and concrete and blocks material, is mainly used for compressive force. Okay, tensile force only, elongation force. In tensile compression test only compressive force. This is a specimen. Okay, so extensiometer is used to measure the elongation of the material. Compressive is the specimen for compression test, is a before specimen by before test. Okay, is the compressed specimen. This is also compressed specimen. Okay, it's mainly for ceramic, cast iron and concrete blocks. So next one is a shear test. Okay, shear test is, so three categories. Okay, direct shear test, transverse shear test and the punch type shear test. Okay, so direct shear test and transverse. Okay, three categories: direct shear, transverse and punch type. So this is measure the material's ability to resist a force. Is mainly shear test is used to measure a material's ability to resist forces slides along the plane parallel to the applied forces. Okay, so slides along the plane parallel to the applied forces, one surface to move in opposite direction of the other. Okay, this is one type of direct shear. Okay, direct shear. So one surface. Okay, so force is applied in the parallel direction with opposite. Okay, parallel with the opposite direction. Okay, forces. Okay, sliding in a plane parallel to applied forces. Okay, so now automatically இந்த plane வந்து deflect ஆகும், shear create ஆகும். ஓகேங்களா, இது வந்து direct shear, transverse shear. Okay, this is a transverse shear. So this is a specimen. So apply load. Okay, this is a transverse shear. Next, punch type shear. This is one type of punch type shear. This is an example of punch type shear. So specimen ஒன்று இருக்கு, punch யூஸ் பண்ணோம், லோட் யூஸ் பண்ணி, is a hollow surface. Okay, so இது டை யூஸ் பண்ணுறோம் அந்த சைடு. ஸோ இது வந்து punch type shear test. ஸோ மெயின் வந்து the shear test is a tension is applied to shear resistance. So the shear test is applicable to metals also. ஸோ மெயினாக வந்து மெட்டல்ஸ்ல யூஸ் பண்ணுறோம். ஸோ ஓகே, இதில் 3 categories: direct shear test, transverse and punch type shear test. Thank you.